Hello, thank you for joining. This is Quarantunes for 6th grade band. I'm Mr. Spur. Quarantunes, Quarantunes, we're stuck inside with Quarantunes. For today's episode, we're going to begin with a breathing exercise, then we'll move on to sight reading rhythms, and then we'll end with looking at our Essential Elements book. Let's start with the breathing exercise. We'll breathe in for 4 clicks, hold for 4 clicks, and exhale on a sizzle. But I would like you to hold an imaginary ball in your hand. Expand when you breathe in, decompress when you exhale. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3. Breathe in. Hold. And let's take a look at that rhythm. Okay, here's our rhythm. First we're going to count it cold, then we'll figure out how to count it, and then we'll count it one more time, and then we'll actually get to play it with our instrument. Here we are, counting it cold. 2, ready, and count. 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, and 4, 1 and 2, 4 and 1, 2 and 3. Okay, take a moment to pause the video, write this down, and then we're going to figure out how to count it. So, looking at measure 1, we have quarter note, half note, quarter note. Remember, all notes at the beginning of the measure begin on beat 1. That quarter note takes up the whole beat, so now we move on to the next beat. Beat 2 has a half note, so we'll put a 2 there. Remember, the half note is 2 beats long, so that takes up beats 2 and 3. The last note's a quarter note, it's on beat 4. Next measure, we have a half note followed by 2 eighth notes and a quarter note. All notes at the beginning of the measure are on beat 1. Half note takes up 2 beats, so that brings us to beat 3. Starting with the eighth note. Remember, we count eighth notes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, so this would be an and right here. Then lastly, the quarter note falls on beat 4. Moving on to measure 3, we have 2 eighth notes, half note, and then 2 more eighth notes. Eighth notes will fall on beat 1, so this would be 1 and. The half note's on 2, it also takes up beat 3. And then beat 4 has 2 eighth notes, so that would be 4 and. The last measure, we have a quarter note, 2 eighth notes, and a half note. All notes at the beginning of the measure are on beat 1. Quarter note takes up the whole beat, so we'll move on to beat 2. We have an eighth note, followed by another eighth note, so there's an and right there. And then beat 3 has a half note, so that takes up beats 3 and 4. Let's try counting this again. 2, ready, and count. 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, and 4, 1 and 2, 4 and 1, 2 and 3. Okay, we're going to play this rhythm now with our instruments, and what I'd like us to do is we're actually going to play the new note that will be coming across in our Essential Elements book. This is going to be a concert A flat. So flutes, remember your A flat is thumb, 1, 2, 3, pinky, pinky. Clarinets, your note's a concert B flat, or no, it's a written B flat, excuse me. So that's thumb, 1, 2, 3, and 1. Saxes, you have an F. So all that is 1, 2, 3, and 1. Trumpets, you have a B flat. Yours is 1 and done. Euphonium, you have a B flat as well. Yours is 1 and done. Tuba, you have an A flat. Yours is 1 and done. And then Katia, you have, where's bassoon here? Bassoon would also be an A flat as well. Okay, here we go. Your note should sound like this. Playing on the new note. 2, ready, and play. let's move on to our essential elements book. So in our essential elements book, we're going to look at page 16, number 73, hot muffins. First, we're going to count, then we'll say pitch names, then we'll finger along, say pitch names, and then we're going to play. Here we go. Oh, let me change the time signature because we're in 2/4. Here we go. And 1, 2, ready, count. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, 2, 1. Okay. Now we're going to say pitch names. I'm only going to say them in concert pitch, so the rest of you need to make sure you can adapt. Okay? C instruments, watch out for your B flats, E flats, and your new A flat. B flat instruments, watch out for that new B flat. Saxes, you don't have an F sharp, it's now an F natural. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, say note names. C, B flat, A flat, C, B flat, A flat, A flat, A flat, A flat, A flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, C, B flat, A flat. Now we're going to finger along and say pitch names. Here we are, set position. 1, 2, ready, and go. C, B flat, A flat, C, B flat, A flat, A flat, A flat, A flat, A flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, C, B flat, A flat. Okay, set position. We're now going to play through it. Here we are. And don't forget about how you articulate these. Flute say 2, brass says ta. Make sure your tongues are curved reeds. So you're hitting the tip of the reed with your tongue. Here we are. 1, 2, ready, and. Thank you very much for joining. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or contact me through the contact page on the website. Have a nice day and stay safe out there.